In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start generating passive income promoting Clickbank products, and I'm going to show you how to do this even as a complete beginner. I'm going to be breaking down everything right in this video. So I promise if you stick with me to the end of this video, you'll be on your way to start earning passive income on Clickbank. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So now I'm going to show you how to use this powerful website called adalo.com to create apps that you can use to promote various Clickbank offers. And I'm going to also show you how to create a simple creative like this that's going to generate you thousands of dollars in Clickbank commission. So the first thing you want to do once you come over to adalo.com, click on the sign up button. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page where you just need to enter your basic details to create your account. So once you're done creating your account, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to make sure to select mobile only. So once you select this, then you want to click on next. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can select any template and start creating your app, but you want to click on this blank. So once you click on blank, then you want to click on next. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you want to give your app a name. And this is going to depend on whatever niche you are promoting. So as you can see right here, going by this picture, you already know that I'm promoting a weight loss product. Okay, so now you want to come here and give the app a weight loss related name. So once you give the app a name, you can come here and select any color you want for this app, and now you want to click on create. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can see a sign up page and a login page before people can have access to the content of the app. But basically you want to delete this because this is going to deter a lot of people from clicking through the app. So all you need to do from here is to click on this plus button and you want to come over to this section that says screen. And you want to click on this login screen and you want to click on these three dots and you want to basically delete this screen. You want to do the same for the sign up page as well. All right. And you want to delete this as well. All right. So once you do that, as you can see, we are going to have only the main screen right here. And here, this is where you are going to be adding a lot of affiliate offers that you want to promote on Clickbank or Digistore 24. So what you want to do from here, you want to basically go back to your Clickbank account. So now you want to basically come over here and you want to use any niche of your choice. I'm going to take health and fitness as an example. So I'm going to click on this. Once you do that, you can see there are over 700 products under this niche alone that I can start promoting and start earning money. All right. So you can see the first product here is going to pay you $137 for every single sale you bring to this product, and also it has a recurring commission as well, which means as long as people continue using this product, you are going to be getting paid every single month. So now what you want to do from here, you want to basically go back to this page, and here you want to come over to the plus button. So once you come over here, you want to basically drag this text element and you want to drop it right here. So once you do that, you can basically change this to whatever you want it to say. You want to click on this formatting. So once you click on that, you can adjust this text anyhow you want it. Okay. So if I click on bold, as you can see, it's going to give it a bold. So once you've written a simple text like this, how to lose weight and stay healthy, you want to come over to this plus button again, and you want to drag this button. So once you drag this button, you want to basically drop the button in the middle. So once you drop it right here, you want to come over to this section that says add, and you want to click on this X button to cancel this plus. So now to change this text, you want to go back to Clickbank. So once you come over to Clickbank, you want to open the first product on Clickbank. As you can see, the first product has the highest gravity score, which tells you a lot of affiliates are currently earning a lot of money with this product at the moment. So you want to click on this to view the landing page of this product. So once you do that, you can basically copy the heading of this product, and all you just need to do is to come back to the app. So once you go over to the landing page, you want to type in a simple text that is going to captivate people and want them to check out the landing page. As you can see, this is a simple call to action right here that people are going to see and want to click on this link. And now once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to scroll down and click on this action, and you want to click on link. So once you click on link, then you want to click on this website. So this is where you want to basically paste in your Clickbank link, and all you just need to do is to go back to Clickbank and copy your affiliate link. And all you need to do is to click on promote, and you want to click on create uplink. So once you do that, you'll be able to copy your Clickbank link, and here you want to basically paste in the Clickbank link. Once people click on this button, they will be taken to this Clickbank product, and once they purchase this product, you earn $137. All right, so as not to prolong this video, as you can see, I have added another button right here. Okay, best juice for rapid weight loss. And now if you come back to Clickbank, you can see this is Icaria juice right here. This is another product that is going to earn you over $100 for every single sale. All right, so basically you want to add as many products as you can, at least 5 products. So once you're done adding these buttons to this app, all you just need to do from here is to click on this share. So once you click on that, as you can see, it's going to show you a preview of your landing page. So you want to actually take your time to create this landing page and make it look as good as possible. So if I click on this link right now, as you can see, it brought me to this landing page. Okay, so whenever anyone purchases this product using this link, I make money. All right, so this is how simple it is. And now from here, all you need to do is to grab a snipping tool. You want to snipe this QR code. So once you snipe this QR code, all you just need to do is to save it to your PC. So once you save that to your PC, then you want to head over to canva.com to create content that you are going to use to promote this app. So now once you come over to canva.com, you want to scroll down and you want to look for where it says Facebook post. So you want to click on this. So once you do that, Canva is going to show you a lot of templates that you can use right here to create a simple creative that you want to use to promote this app. And now you can basically type in whatever niche you're working with right here. So since I'm taking a weight loss niche as an example, I can type in fitness. You can see this is the template I use to create this image right here. All right. So basically you want to create a simple image like this on Canva. And now you want to make sure to add this QR code. So whenever people scan this QR code, they will be able to install this app. And once they install the app and they click on this link, they will be taken to the product page. So once you're done, Facebook is one of the perfect sources to get free traffic, and you can come over to Facebook and type in keywords related to the niche you're promoting. So if you're in the fitness niche, you want to type in keywords like weight loss, fitness, diet, nutrition. So you want to type in those type of keywords, and you want to make sure to filter to groups. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of groups that all you just need to do is to basically click on those groups to join the group. So once you are in any of these groups, you want to come over to the write something section. So you want to come over here and type in something simple like this. Scan the below QR code to get a free app that shows you the best ways to lose weight. All right. So once they scan this code, it's going to take them to the app, and the app is going to redirect them to the affiliate product. And once they purchase this product, you make money. So basically, this is all you need to share on these Facebook groups, and your post is going to get approved because you are not sharing any link. And now another traffic source you can use is Instagram. So all you just need to do is to come over to instagram.com and you want to type in keywords related to your niche. And now you are going to see a lot of accounts that have a lot of followers. And all you need to do is to click on the followers, and you want to basically follow these followers, and you want to send them the same message and this image right here. So if you do this, you are definitely going to get a lot of people to scan this code. And keep in mind, this product costs over $100. So basically just a few sales a day is going to earn you hundreds of dollars every single day promoting this app right here. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.